Hello and welcome to the first lesson of the Beginner's Guide to Learning AutoCAD. These lessons are specifically designed for beginners, students in technical and engineering fields who may face challenges initially. AutoCAD is easy to learn by following the steps outlined, and I hope you overcome any difficulties. Let's dive into the first step. Before learning any program, it's crucial to understand it, enabling us to use it efficiently. What's AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a computer-aided design program released by the American company in 1982, widely used globally. Major companies and engineering firms rely on it for 2D and 3D drawings in various fields. The word AutoCAD stands for Computer-Aided Design. Fields and versions. AutoCAD by Autodesk has released various versions. The latest version by 2023 end is AutoCAD 2024. The latest version always includes more advanced features than the previous version, enhanced with additional functionality to suit specific engineering and scientific specialization. The use of these specialized versions of AutoCAD requires the essence of the parent company, whether it be a network license or an individual license. Versions. Free versions for students and educational institutions have also been issued. There is another version for viewing only, and it is not possible to work on it, which is AutoCAD TrueView. The Autodesk company also grants a temporary license for a month to learn about the program and its developments. Autodesk, over the years, has released modified versions catering to different specialties, including architectural, mechanical, electrical, 3D civil engineering, and more. AutoCAD's file, formats, and extensions. All AutoCAD-based products use the default DWG format to save files. AutoCAD 2024 can open old file formats and edit them. However, it is not possible to open recent DWG files with earlier versions. But now a drawing that comes from AutoCAD 2024 can be open, edit, and save in DWG format by AutoCAD 2018. The backup file is an exact copy of the drawing file as it was before it was last saved. Every time you manually save drawing, .wd, by default, the file is saved in the same location and has the same name as the drawing, but it has extensions, .bak. Drawing template, DWT, are files used in AutoCAD to a new Create drawing. Users can use predefined drawing templates that come with AutoCAD, or create custom drawing templates for their own use or to share with other users. We will explain how to create our own custom DWT in the coming video. The DXF format, acronym for Drawing Exchange Format, is a format created by the Autodesk company used to exchange DWG files between AutoCAD and other programs. AutoCAD, features and characteristics. AutoCAD features high-quality design capabilities with precision in measurements and dimensions, allowing easy storage, reuse, and modification of drawings. It supports advanced applications like ADFOR and RCAD for civil engineering. Professionals can extend functionality using programming languages such as VBA and Lisp. The AutoCAD interface. After opening AutoCAD 2024, we'll see the following screen. In this starting page, we find the options: Open for existing files and continue to working on, New to create and start a new file, and Recent for recently used files. We choose New and select a template. And AutoCAD show us the list of predefined drawing templates. We choose, for example, A, CAD. The principal component of AutoCAD's screen are the drawing area, ribbon toolbar, command line. Understanding this workspace is crucial for efficient usage. Organizing AutoCAD interface according to your needs is essential for smart usage, showing only the tools you need for your work. We will see this composants and others one by one in the next video. Content of this video is interesting for you. Take a few seconds to like, share, and cite. Thank you. I hope that the content of this video will be useful, and I hope I've helped you, even just a little. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.